Hey there, science fans. Have you heard about the amazing world of artificial intelligence? It's changing our lives in incredible ways. One of the coolest things to come out of AI is ChatGPT, created by a company called OpenAI. ChatGPT is a super smart computer program that you can talk to just like a real person. It can understand your questions, follow your instructions, and even write stories, poems, and emails for you. Pretty neat, right? But the real magic happens when you start using ChatGPT in your everyday life. Let me show you how this awesome technology can make your day-to-day activities easier and more fun. Imagine this. You're swamped with emails, deadlines are looming, and you have a big presentation to prepare for. Sounds familiar? Well, ChatGPT can be your trusty sidekick in the workplace. It can help you write clear and concise emails in a flash, generate creative content for your presentations and reports, summarize lengthy documents so you can quickly grasp the key points. Need to translate that email from your international client? No problem. ChatGPT can translate languages faster than you can say bonjour. With ChatGPT by your side, you can power through your to-do list and impress your boss with your efficiency. Go ahead, take a longer lunch break. You deserve it. Remember those late-night cram sessions back in school? Wouldn't it be great to have a study partner who's always available and knows the answer to every question? Well, now you do. ChatGPT is like having a personal tutor at your fingertips. Whether you're a student, a lifelong learner, or just curious about the world, ChatGPT can help you. Find information on any topic you can imagine. Get explanations for complex concepts in simple terms. Practice your language skills with real-time feedback. Just ask ChatGPT your question, and it will provide you with clear and concise answers, often with helpful links to further your understanding. Learning doesn't have to be boring. With ChatGPT, it can be an exciting adventure of discovery. Slogans and marketing copy and write different kinds of creative content like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, and more. The possibilities are endless. Just give ChatGPT a starting point and watch it weave words, ideas, and concepts into something truly amazing. Who knows, you might just surprise yourself with the incredible things you can create with a little help from your AI muse. Section 5. Your personal time-saving guru. ChatGPT keeps you organized. Let's face it, life can get pretty hectic. Between work, family, and social commitments, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, ChatGPT is here to be your personal time-saving guru. It can help you create to-do lists and set reminders, manage your calendar and schedule appointments, and find information quickly, like recipes, movie times, or travel directions. Imagine having a personal assistant who's available 24/7 to take care of all the little things so you can focus on what really matters. With ChatGPT, you'll be amazed at how much more time you have in your day and how much more relaxed you feel. Section 6. ChatGPT. Your ticket to a more efficient and exciting life. So there you have it, folks. ChatGPT is more than just a fancy computer program. It's a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way you work, learn, create, and live. By integrating ChatGPT into your daily routine, you can boost your productivity and efficiency, unlock new levels of creativity and learning, and simplify your life and reduce stress. And the best part? ChatGPT is incredibly easy to use. It's like having a conversation with a knowledgeable friend who's always happy to help. Section 7. Explore the possibilities with ChatGPT. Ready to experience the ChatGPT difference for yourself? I encourage you to dive in and explore all that this amazing technology has to offer. You can access ChatGPT through various platforms and apps, and there are tons of resources available online to help you get started. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the future and unlock your full potential with ChatGPT.